integrating 1 over x. So the story goes, if we were to integrate 1 over x, we would rewrite it as x to the -1. Then what would we do? We would add 1 to the power
Add 1 to it
and divide by it. Looking good? Okay. So what would happen to that?
Undefined.
It would become undefined, it would vanish, we couldn't do anything with it, it would not be useful. So therefore, there's another way to do it. So there's a rule. So it's on your formula sheet, you will remember that when we differentiated this, then dy by dx became 1 over x. So knowing that integration is the opposite, this is going to go to this. So we aren't going to get that. We're going to get this.
Why do we have the absolute value signs?
Okay, good question. Anybody answer that one? Why do we have the absolute value signs? Piers? Yeah, you can't find the natural log of a negative number or any log of a negative number. So therefore we put the absolute value signs in because we can treat a negative as though it's a positive to find out what's going on. But on the whole, what that's saying is there's no such thing as a negative number log. All right, it doesn't exist. The graph looks like this. Right, no negatives. So therefore, only positives. Okay? So if we know that, then we can easily differentiate using the same rules we've used up to now. So we need to still compensate. All right, so we still need to find out what's being introduced in that process of differentiation that we have to get rid of in the process of integration. So this one here, a lot of you got sort of confused by this 1 over 3 something or other going on. Remember that that's just a third. It's exactly the same as this. And by thinking of it like that, it means that we can easily find the answer quickly too. All right, so watch for those fractions. If you have this one, we can't take that 2 out because it's not here as well. Here, it was the multiplier for the whole of the bottom line, all right? Here, it's not. So here we've got 5 of these. All right, so if we're differentiating with 5 of these, then we need to change that using the formula. So we've got 5 ln of 2x plus 1 plus c. But we also need to compensate. So in compensating, what we are doing is saying, what would this differentiate to? 2. So therefore 2 is our compensation, and our compensation goes like that. So 2x plus 1 differentiates to 2. So that's what we're compensating by, and it goes as a divisor. So therefore our answer is 5 over 2 ln of 2x plus 1 plus c. Right. We'll just write a wee note to say that it's absolute value. They will mark you right if you don't have the absolute value sign, so you don't have to worry about that bit, okay? All right, that is it.